You cannot put any object on a paper sheet and it's so breakable. Fold the paper in small size. Then turn over the paper and fold it again. You should repeat the step till you fold all the paper. Now try the folded paper and put heavy items on them. Try this magic. Cover the glass using a piece of fabric and put it on the coin. Say the magic words. When you remove the fabric, the coin is gone, and when again you shift the glass, the coins appear to them. It's just a trick. You glue a piece of paper which exactly matches the surface of the table. Lighten up a matches and put it in the glass. Then place a balloon on the top of the glass. Gently put it to the glass. Try to lift the glass just by lifting the balloon and the glass won't fall. You cannot lift up the bottle using a drinking straw, which is folded from the concertina type hinge part. Fold the drinking straw from the straight part and put it into the bottle. Now try to lift the bottle up. It will work now. Put a bendable straw in the juice or Coke bottle. It should be headed toward the cup or the glass. Place your mouth to the bottle top and start blowing into the bottle. You fill the glass without lifting the bottle. Here's another trick. If you use a single pin, the balloon will blast for sure. Now place more pins and try to place the balloon on the top of it. It won't blast easily. You can blow into the bottle and take the lid out of the bottle without using your hand or any objects. If you place a card on the glass, you cannot put lighter or any object on the edge of the cup. Fill the glass with waters or any liquids. Then place the card. Now the card won't drop if you put the lighter on it. Cut a piece of paper to a square shape. Fold it as is shown here. Then mark the bottom part using a pencil. Use a pair of scissors to cut it off. Open it up, you get a paper flower. Cut a small circle out of colored paper for the center of the flower. Then bend the petals inward. Now place them on a plate which is filled with waters or Coke. You see that flower is starting to bloom. Pour some Coke into a plate. Then lighten up the wax tea-like candle and place it in the center of the plate. Put a glass on it. It will suck the water into the glass, and the level of Coke inside the glass will increase.